It's something Del Boy Trotter could only dream of. Owning his own helicopter. The Only Fools and Horses character, immortalized by Sir David Jason, was always promising this time next year, we'll be millionaires, as he launched into another dodgy money-making scheme. Hapless Del never made the rich list, but the millions did roll in for Sir David, seen here behind the controls of his own Robinson R44 Raven helicopter, as he landed it in Buckinghamshire. The closest Del Boy could get to that was hurtling off a hill on a hang glider. For 22 years and 64 episodes, from 1981 to 2003, David, 83, had TV viewers roaring with laughter as the Peckham entrepreneur. In the iconic 1986 episode Tea for Three, he is tricked by younger brother Rodney, Nicholas Lyndhurst, to go hang gliding, as the siblings battle for the affections of Trigger's niece Lisa. If only Del Boy had attempted to fly a helicopter. It would have been TV comedy gold too, that's for sure. But, thankfully, Sir David is a seriously good pilot, in his professional-looking gear. Lovely jubbly.